Viral YouTuber family the Stauffers are under serious fire from fans again after a new documentary has aired investigating the vloggers who shared their decision to return their adopted son. The family, who'd once built a reputable 1 million followers under the channel The Stauffer Life on YouTube, were once praised for their family-orientated content. However, that all came crashing down when they uploaded a video titled An Update on Our Family. Things started to turn sour after the family documented their process of adopting Huxley from China, when suddenly 2 years later he stopped appearing in their content. In the now infamous video, they revealed they had decided to dissolve the adoption of their 4-year-old son, who they'd brought over from China when he was 2 years old.
Once Huxley came home, there was a lot more special needs that we weren't aware of and that we were not told.
There's not an ounce of our body that doesn't love Huxley with all of our being. There wasn't a minute that I didn't try our hardest.
After multiple assessments, after multiple evaluations, numerous medical professionals have felt that he needed a different fit and that his medical needs, he needed more.
The controversial video was quickly deleted, but furious fans slammed the family for their careless decision and suggested they only adopted him to make content. This led Micah Stauffer to take to Instagram to share an apology, writing, "I want to first apologise for the uproar and take full responsibility for all of the hurt that I've caused. This decision has caused so many people heartbreak, and I'm sorry for letting down so many women that looked up to me as a mother. I apologise for being naive when I started the adoption process. I was not selective or fully equipped or prepared." Both her personal and family accounts were then deactivated. However, HBO has recently aired a new documentary diving into the lives of family bloggers with a specific look at the Stauffer family.
Do you think they adopted him for the views?
Which has re-sparked the online drama surrounding the family. Huxley has since been rehomed with a new family who do not share their lives on the internet.
But they're not the only YouTube family vloggers to get called out by their viewers.
Fans have slammed the LeBrant family after resurfaced tweets have swarmed the internet. YouTube family, the LeBrant fam, are no strangers to online controversy, with many fans calling them out on openly publicising their seemingly anti-abortion and anti-LGBTQ beliefs. Many have also called out parents Savannah and Cole LeBrant after a video was posted of Savannah mentioning that it was helpful having an extra pair of hands, in reference to their eldest daughter Everly, who was 9 at the time.
She's helpful with the kids, so I feel like having her here would be nice, just with another baby coming too. Like, it's nice having an extra pair of hands around the house, even if it's a 9-year-old.
One fan said, "It's not her job to parent, she should be able to be a kid like her other siblings." Other fans have commented on a series of videos showing their young children singing Christian worship songs. One said, "Cult-like behaviour at its finest," and another said, "Very cute, not a fan of the indoctrination though. Hope they'll be allowed to choose their own beliefs someday." Many commenters, however, have jumped to the family's defence, with many saying that they aren't doing anything wrong. But one TikToker has stirred up some new controversy after resurfacing an alleged tweet from Cole in 2015. The tweet, which is no longer available on the account, allegedly said, "I may just wait 20 years for David Beckham's 3-year-old daughter, cause God knows she's gonna be gorgeous." Many fans have since branded the comment as disgusting. The TikToker also pointed out a connection to the tweet and the name of the LeBrant's new baby boy, Beckham Blue LeBrant, who was born earlier this year.
His wife probably should have said, "Honey, you remember that tweet back in 2015 that people had a problem with? Maybe we shouldn't name our kid Beckham for that reason."
Some fans were quick to crush these claims, with one saying, "I mean, the tweet is gross AF, but the baby name I think is a stretch here. The name was sentimental to Sav is why they named him that, not after David Beckham." Savannah and Cole recently also teased fans with a baby reveal style announcement about their new app, Bear Fruit, which claims to empower the Christian person and family with the resources and the how to bear fruit, and will set users back $6.99 a month for a subscription.